elections baye and president and so so far so good dear why for the past 8 months.
Yeah, the kind mention otchere. Namenkase was a very good and very refreshing encounter yesterday. The Ubenya president was availing himself to the people of this country. Said, I've been in power for 8 months. May afford you the opportunity to ask questions. And I mean, so the mayor may clarify just to. Unse there be a catch us a governance and yabosom and then Krufobia question them equaya ye babontia. Then you need to drag the people along.
Yeah.
Everything that is happening beyond, people must know, people must understand, and people must be part of whatever that is going on. And mine now create some sort of a shield be around you, and people don't see what is going within. People begin to speculate. When people begin to speculate, cynicism especially build it, now develop it into propaganda. Won't be in control because you are not giving out information. Yeah. And one of the strengths of President Mahama is communication. It is a way a president you don't sit down for some of these things you leverage that particular potential now. I bet me I'm our advantage. I'll bet me a church and say more because on your beer you be a question about say make a friend minister because you could see clearly this is a gentleman who is on top of almost all the issues because he's part of it, he understands it, and he's able to dish out questions, sometimes very detailed answers to. I clarify a lot of things. I think it's one of the best things in recent time. I think that is good because you see, all your campaign, not Ghana for concern about say because you call almost 3 to 4 good years. Now President Akufo Addo avail in the home. For media encounter. Ya ne ba ho so not ya brochire any media for bisa no question ewa amanone. But man na otima odi so no he shut the door na Ghana for nya kwanya bisa no question because Nema na so at the time was so filthy to the extent I'm not sure say he could have defended himself. Is the reason why I shut it down. No? So President Mahama made a categorical promise to the people of this country. So Oba transparent and the people of Ghana no Benya kwenya abisa question. So apart from say Enra, one of the campaign promises I was satisfying. It also a be door na Ghana for to see Nema Ekoso as to whether someone in the Bayard and answer one in the Yard. That's a different thing. But the bottom line is that the door is open or media questions via Hobiano or Mubisano. But Enra said na Wusikana de ba na dominating in the questions has to do with accountability. Accountability in your government at the Fufrobia and the various individuals are in the last 8 years plunged this particular country into the abyss. The very people who leverage on political power at the board of minor chrono. There has been a lot of talk about because early stages of Mahama administration, that was when this aura came. And see the when I say na yakwa chiwe na gidi ne ko bia na ya money bill na case na gu sa and na Ghana forward becoming increasingly frustrated say what is the way forward because it's 8 months down the line. I don't know kwa gidi hey na gu gidi hey na gu na Attorney General press conferences upon press conferences in some sometimes what in a while to what you be now in a whole lot of stuff. So Ghana forward very angry and getting frustrated because you see idea back when my Ghana for D lies so koto abanyina yes sir and microphone mo wiaye no ye no mo bedi na you making sure say as a prisoner you do mo beko na ya se agi esika aka ho because ye ntimi entenase emu oman by the virtue say obi anya akwanya say me minister me way and that open door for that particular person that we are yet to politics. It is not mainly based on merit. Some way be a Nipano and Indiana says some way be about who you know, the alliances, the affiliation, who your friends are, and those kind of way. And see, and yet careful, we might end up smuggling a lot of criminals in the name of this appointee. And in the last 80 years, that's exactly what happened. So yen to me metana and the Ghana for Kodila, so I got to abase yembra punish these people, no? Then it becomes something else. Now I like it when President Mahama said, the omonya certain temporary relief. Now boom, they will not go scot-free. I hope, sir, he will walk that particular line because one thing Ghanaians will never forgive Mahama government and they say failure to hold these people accountable. And Attorney General must also do everything that he can to inspire and engender confidence. Sabeya manfo abamumu because in recent times, on social media, first na aura get a lot of clicks on social media. But any people be abamubu on the aura because they don't even know where it is going. So I think say you use this particular opportunity na you get Ghana for along because my culture say you see say amamu siwa me fan say we amamu. Now what dream is a soldier for motwa ho ahia na ebo ho ban then won ti amamu ase e trust and confidence ameno ye repose e wa de we and the ma ban di gina ho. So the very moment you see say citizens abamubu and they are withdrawing their trust, they are withdrawing their confidence, and you know say you are endangering the prospect of democracy and the governance na what ho no. So encounter is very, very important. President Mahama took the opportunity to reaffirm his commitment to say or baba ya a make sure say nipa no mo do mo nsa abo man sika mu no aman no mo bedi na no say na wa follow me in recent times. I've been doing some way be on scholarship secretariat na wo he ne ma akoso ha yetimi ma kwabrane scholarship na ono afa ne yire ne ma me ensa na o de aka ne yire ho na ya fa school nipa na ya ma scholarship ne ya tamo mu nyina na ya twa plente kita mo aso mo ko bu UK na on monthly basis ye ti o ne yere ne maka me who be that there is no scholarship regime as anema we nyina akoso e wo ho. And the question is say a day in a state no ya fa ho enu ti na enra wo hu say most of the questions ni nyina e border on oral accountability because you got to a point among for you a bit confused what is the way forward is government really committed. And now we see if question some now can hear about your friend saying some NDC people behind the scene trying to cut corners we are. You see, Nipan bet me wadamfo. But obi we are minor Adamfo sem bia nim. And this is no time to be cutting corners. And you see, Ghana for do nanya akukodro to abati Akufo Addo yi na ban firi because of corona na akoso se be ya ye be present na ya afford ye ho a certain opportunity and momentum and a certain will. Ye betime deal ruthlessly with these individuals because they came purposely to plunder this country and enrich themselves. That is why you have a lot of millionaires who have sprung up from the NPP and they're bragging around because the whole governance of Mosati app was an avenue for people to enrich themselves. And that's exactly what they did. We cannot sit here and allow this culture to fester. That is why the conventional red lines must be established in the red sand. Sabeya manfo be hu said or mine enye ade eda ho ye ma wakwanya say ya ba ye minister enye se wunim nyansa achen obia and enye se school a wokọ ye bi ni asase we so a privilege and ye dia ma na president enye gidie wo mu enti execute your functions benefit amanfo in line with the welfare of the people. Apart from that, there is nothing. But ye hano enya sa na ye the two ma amanfo ho na hu ahomaso akese nipa or wunim say madam for dey me no kwa ne ko didi wo fra na on fa on feel because what do different level. That kind of psycho mentality na e wo nipa mu. So I think say we need to yen demonetize the political space. Ma manfo hu say enye avenue anase ade a ye de eko enriche ye ho na mom eye servitude ye de ba be som and ade ba ko betimi ye de establish this particular thing this particular ye fan say oral thing na ye be hu say prosecution cause mahu Attorney General has been talking a lot about this ye fan say prosecution now amount for negotiating no friend pre-bargaining agreement as well. You see, yes, in line with law and as for but don't forget that particular pre-bargaining act was slotted into the constitution in 2022 even for also the very people who have stolen from us, they knew the outcome they ever be see that and then they made sure that the plea bargaining will be added to the criminal distance. And that is a window they created. Say I told there na ya ti hai me bana sa me best sabo camera nyina me wi akona say ya be chim na me ka so oh don't worry camera me fa tere we me the two beba na munja me this kind of nonsense, you understand that, and it is not deterring enough. May the criminal justice system should be deterring enough to deter further engagement. Prison, the most important thing in a man's life is the freedom. So when that freedom is curtailed, that is taken away, it should serve as a deterrent to others. That is why you punish a crime. So we cannot just be running around this plea bargaining. You are creating enough incentive and motivation for others to come and steal. You understand? So I think that we need to navigate this particular storm in a very pragmatic manner, because first, 1990 and Ghana 14 they didn't even know what was happening within the government space. First, we better not use or confused, not born in someone, because they were marking people how fluent and eloquent they were by then. I am telling you that the average and the ordinary Ghanaian is part of the politics. They have inserted themselves. They are asking a lot of critical questions. The why. They want answers. If you are unable to satisfy them with the whys now, or back at out, you understand? So government must always navigate through this particular stormy circumstances by having in mind the wishes and aspirations of the people who voted, because people behind them, they are navigating. They set the stage and agenda, everything for the government. And you know what? Who's on your way now? What disconnect? Hona obese omina manya by men may hear them pa. You become lonely because that na me catch Akufo Addo buy. Makola made omonto ma se hono nam so. Na no because they felt say ajenkwa baba be say we. The last year, no, because Okofa Makola and Matugu so born on the same person. No, so what is the difference? The last time now, Akufo Addo Bekono, or ye mistake of Makola and can mad tomatoes and to man bono because was so minor boo. But this gentleman was the darling boy of the same people. What has changed? And the 2 million just to make sure so the bayard papa, Abraba Boni or the boy inti. So it is a lesson. I think that every single politician should learn. Say, and I think that is what we should do. So President Mahama, what he did for me, I think that good. Our short Ghana for we are watching, see how things will play out. And on the your friend saying, galamsey, yes, I agree with him. Say, the distraction has gone on for almost 8-9 good years. Yes. You cannot use 6 months, not 8 months to stop it because magic na yeah. And they say, I think that the baseline that has been established thus far, not any deterrent enough, is the reason why some people still feel emboldened say they can go. Because galamsey number say NPP for free men this year na yaba enti yenso when joy news almost capture about 400 excavators among for a year na najo port. That is a reporter details in Yamabontin. So if all these things are true, I think government will have to establish this particular way. Galamsey no I no go area. People who think that and we need to stop these things because I know the destructive nature of these enterprises, on the life of Ghana for the priority not to go to the best saying soon and so forth. So I think social media and so forth, people are asking questions about galamsey because in as much as me within 8 months, I think the government is doing something because land minister he did something very important by making sure say act now about very controversial or no sorry for acting that come age say repeal because that was one of the promises that President Mahama made to the people of this country. So I think that is a credit and it tells you that the land minister and government are willing to stop this. Your friends have and I think that is a good start. Sometimes all fighting corruption and all fighting the most important thing are your commitments and the willingness to do certain things, and I think they have demonstrated it a bit. Say yes, they are ready to fight galamsey because the same galamsey so unfortunately you sacrifice about your friends have 4 great 7 or 8. Yes, great men. So, if there is something that we can do to honor their memory, it is stopping this nonsense. And I think President Mahama, beyond the rhetoric, will have to, your friends, man up and make sure stringent and very, biting, tough measures. We ever stopping all these things. And yes, Kasano there. I'm not sure it will solve anything.
Solo.
Yeah, Gronto.
Now, where dear?
Yamia, any day, Acadia John de Becahua. Ebi pay. Now they are John.
Papa could be your ta frame. Nancy may you di kind can. Was in Yami wine now for me. I got the Jomama the best so. Okay, and the Jamia say, who ye dear not to say. No the idea di kind when you pay. Wabra Buma. Modena Yaria can who could never.
The Bianco for the issue. Oh, anyway, so maybe I see go. We are when we did free.
Okay, yeah, starting with media encounter with President Enra.
I just sent me and go in Senkobanko for Pesomotiano beside corruption and galamsey. These are the two key issues. If he say Ghana for the Dorman. Now, in some here, it is a Mahamadu Bawumia. Because let me tell you, this is the Ghana for Konosao. NPP that be good when you say, "Oh, this is so much." And at that time, Ghana for the alternative before the first time I who say, "Asare, I find the Catholic Church down in Accra. It will be a demonstration prayer. A demonstration of the Empire Boakye." Say, "O man, penny no apart from Yamim, Chuamuka, some more share. Now, yes, census, and okay, Okroma.
Make I.
It didn't ya goody. Ebio operation recover all loot. Sika, we are any and your Mekanwana Ghana for a who say any one Tikrumha, Ubuya Sika. I just be a DSU. Into Momrana Menima. These were the two key issues at Edurama Mobile. It is all partners as a new man one handler. One I would dig hey woman. A drop and politicians must understand that be will make me say win the election than to perform. Than to respect contracts, social contract out there. Tim for say me ba me shop me say oba so ye. I don't think corruption. Me Attorney General start here. Me and one of the pillars and I'm a born basopa say Odinka be ye press conference ye do dia to ya na ye hu say ye koni say afi watiada akonteri mo friend I would ne did ba ku bi shefi fi ya de ba ayede akuturi aye
I know the wo bona on ti amuni ye
aye me de pa why ya dey beautiful edubo ahede odi aba what the national service for the aba what the Ghana Bruni my friends Mustafa Ahmed was the color atoso onko NBA na the color na nyakura na tuntun pa and atoso what did the aba to say o ma bogana krono in fact national service squad your share say by end of July o do mbeko as Libya NBA dey ko Sram, so it became a source of worry. Now, that's the way I can opposition for crowd, opposition here. Say any MB before what we had somebody can be over there. Now, on one party for they are so worried. Day and day, Autobusha Wajado Musu. So they are unable to even go back to or more fear to go and tell them, say, and some kind of opposition, man. That is what is confronting them. And no pressure. And I'm say people are cutting deals. And because as a general secretary of the party office, they be a complaints here. And some are showing evidence. Jacobasa and the bride, Abem. Tibifi say, Yasema. Any say a cross will be a mind so with the agro. I said it and I say, oh, my penny, mama, the money. Masha Sharaf near they have more years ahead of them. Now, they be I am the Kwame Nkrumah, a example say, Sabia Yaban Nkrumah, there was no one commit me when you more city, a dear brother no Aboru Nkrumah. To even become the chairperson of CPP. Now, Nkrumah, I don't got a Casaberotti. But Moja Binti. Ne papa binti ne papa di binti otu ko ye MP for Jomoro akwa also Nkrumah bana obi eto aba en block
Nkrumah na ne wo mutirim
that is it and no more of the family by CPP. So President Mahama has that duty to protect their children and don't the triple fine ebia wo ye ne de na fam dia so mampadi but essence on to me ngo ba bia tirade nkofo you must be ready to hire and fire appointee obi 1 week no nya duma pam no we no obi any contract so they better on one same there is no way you must pamper anybody essence chimem for no so munya 10 o manga on you are I'm telling you, let's say 2024. NPP baby omko ebia no motete. Tita no mabe remember kro modwane. It was so difficult. And Kwafo no de t-shirt mom no. What they were doing is say, omo share this atade off form. Omo tita ko do rally ground so no ma atade NPP de egu so. Omo wie ye gi sikara no omo ye. That was what was happening. Na chese any braba. Yadi enkase pudio show ye party ya ben enje kra ye belonche na share bedijo. Are you with me? On tackle corruption kofo ewia yisika national scholarship secretariat Akufo Addo ye nioma mienu bia na dey protect krono anomabo and people must be clear with it. Number 1 opake court so the boni court ye do be court ka se wa Agyapong ya se Jáil
ye be Jáil
owie ye no ado sanso de the other Ivan Ekaro. The amendment of the Act 1079 by criminal and other related offences or be amended in the federal pre-bargain. June 27th, I know the coy. But July 22, you are pass. I know the same move. Say, Modi Munko, we are men, not check the friend the law.
Now you are busy on Net2.
What you say?
Yeah.
And you Munko, we are making sure 60% with the baby. Edu the idea near Komoko. How is it said to beat Mahama ECG? Up to now, committee be friend. Now you do say ECG, Chrono so. How is this a federal markets as a Boakye Agyarko? Oh, we are friend. Are we joking in this country? No amount of semantics for which we are saying we are. Mama, you must act. Yes, Andrew, it was reassurance. So, I investigation biano. Yes, but let me tell my Benny say, me cost you na me go help. I am not interested in going so I can't say. Yes, she said game room from a chiro. You better go. The minimum one say board
at net in him.
Support that you maybe benefit. I don't know. The minimum say go na me fefe.
Yeah.
Enti a hono. And Manenko said, the General Secretary says that people are cutting deals, which some of us know that is happening. Now, I don't have frustrating process, you know, at the end of the day, because the second coming, he must go home with a legacy. So, Oba, you know, Ghana for some man, second chance, you know, one farmer media grow. Now, go for a good way to make me a good animal. He's also not lucky because the point is that Ejekura NDC na nkasa be ko internal premise akwa ko pe omu leader so tia say the people of the view say yenwie sika ngu ho na yenso e fa go elections if you have such mentalities as Akufo no they will try to want to cut deals to get money for this task ahead now they wonya wo for to man ani nya dey and now operation recover all loot sika ya wia ene enyoma ka wana Ghana for ehu se ye ne enuanu ma na tikrom ha obu wia yesika anya se bia ye de sie o enti momra na momanyima. These were the two key issues edu rama mabai. It is open na sa nyoma no handle wana wo digi wo hey wa mena hey no de edro bia politicians must understand say bibie no be twa sebu in election than to perform, than to respect contracts, social contract. Yeah. Say me ba me shab say me say oba osoye. Yeah. I don't think corruption. Me Attorney General start here. Me and one of the pillars and me board na basopa say odinka be ye press conference ye do dia to ya na ye hu say ye ko ni say. Afi watiada. I couldn't remember. I would. They did about could be shaved. I am the bar. I could I know the old one out to be a money. I am the power. why you are beautiful? I do boy the Odiaba. What the national service way the Aba? What the Ghana Bruni, my friends, Mustafa Abid.
Mustafa Ahmed.
Was that the color Tosso? Uncle NPP, another color in your crowd, not to and I toss. What did the Abator say? Oma Bogana Corner. In fact, National Service Squad, your share said by end of July, Odomeko as in Libya.
Yeah.
MPA dear Koy, Sram, Yantefi. So it became a source of worry. Now, that's the way I can, opposition for granted, opposition here. Say any MPP before what we had somebody can be over there. Now, on one party for they are so worried. Day and day, Musu. So they are unable to even go back to or more fear to go and tell them, say, and some kind of opposition, that is what is confronting them. And no pressure. And a mafifi say people are cutting deals, and because as a general secretary of the party office, they be a complaints here. And some are showing evidence. Ejekobasa and the bride abem. Tibifi say yasema any say a cross will be a mind so the agro. I said it and I say, oh my penny mama, ne many Sharaf near they have more years ahead of them. Yeah. Now they be I am the Kwame Nkrumah example say Sabia Yaban Nkrumah, there was no one could make me win your moral city. A dear brother no Aboru Nkrumah. To even become the chairperson of CPP. Yeah. But Moja Binti, ne Papa Binti, ne Papa D Binti, what you call MP for Jomoro. Also, Nkrumah Banner. Obia Tuaba and block. Nkrumah na the woman with him. That is it. And no more of the family by CPP. So President Mahama has that duty to protect their children. And don't he? The triple fine. Ebia or yellow dear, not from dear some penny. But essence on to me more baby and trading go for CCO. You must be ready to hire and fire. Or appoint to be 1 week long. My Pamano who will be any contract. So they better on one same. There is no way you must pamper anybody. Essence that you remember for home. So when you're 10 or manga on you are. I'm telling you, let's say 2024. MPP baby on Kobe, I don't want to take. It was so difficult. And Kwaku Annan the T-shirt mom. What they were doing is say, almost sharing this Saturday or form, almost to talk or do rally grounds on my Saturday. Everybody so. Oh, yeah, Jessica. That was what was happening. Not just say any braba. Yeah, the Enkase Pudio show, your party are being and Jacria Belonche. Let's share video. Are you with me? Yeah. On tackle corruption. Konfo Bia Isika, National Scholarship Secretariat. Akufo Addo ye nyoma mienu bia na dey protect krono anomabo. And people must be clear with it. Number one, opake court. So the Bawumia court here do we yeah. Court ka say wa Bawumia say Jáil. Yeah, be Jáil. Owie ye no, Addo san so de other Ivan Ekaro. The amendment of the Act 1079 by criminal and other related offences or be amended the federal pre-bargain. June 27th, I know the coy. By July 22, you are I don't say more. Say, Money Mungo, we are men, not check the some friend the law.
Now you are based on Net2.
What do you say? Yeah. And you are making sure 60% be the baby. How is it said to beat Mahama ECG up to now? Committee be friend. Now you do say ECG Kronoa so. How is it said Afenyo Markets as a butcher? Kennedy Agyapong, Omiyayam Frelmo. Are we joking in this country? No amount of semantics for which you are saying we are. Thomas Penny Mama, you must act. Yes, and right, it was reassurance or case. Investigation biano. Yes, but let me tell my Penny say. Me cost you na me go help boy. I'm not interested in going so I can't say. Yes, she said game room from a chiro, you better go. The minimum one say board
at net in him.
Supporter the baby benefit I don't know. Aye. Yeah, be new say go na me fefe.
Yeah.
Enti ehɔ no. E mane nkoye say the general secretary says that people are cutting deals, which some of us know that is happening. Now, I don't have frustrating process, you know, at the end of the day, because the second coming, he must go home with a legacy. So, Oba, you know, Ghana for some man, second chance, you know, one farmer media grow. Now, go for a good way in the bit, good anymore. He's also not lucky because the point is that Agyarko and this in Ankasabeko internal premise. Akwa omu leader so to say and the people are of the view say yenwie sika ngu ho na yenso efa go elections if you have such mentalities as Akufo no they will try to want to cut deals to get money for this task ahead now they wo nya wo for to man na ninya dey and now on the question of galamsey tika dey na eva ike nipa nwotwe the Minister of Defense, the bosom friend, Mutala, so close to the president, Alhaji Muniru. Alhaji Muniru, so close to the president.
Yeah.
What you say? Samuel Sapo, Samuel Abwaje, and these army officers. On my soon, yeah. From the 6th of August to the 15th or so of August. Obani now back to a standstill. Before then, Mahama, Major Mahama, all they do is get down.
Yeah.
Well, because of galamsey, yeah, bio. And I can say the Ghana water say or person or tuning soon because of the galamsey. I can say, cause don't do a million free across the country. Chebi says here, and go for top pure water the dear Gary. Chebi, go to Gyamfi, move from reporters and go to win and show great area. Ya tell why you ho, and then go for the sick Jananka because of Opedia, Omupe good. Hey, that's over to go near you. There was a point. 80 yeah, state of emergency. My penny things that I say over two, you know. And no, they did the issue of NIMOS, National Anti-Galamsey Operating Secretary. Yeah. If the president will give them the full backing, I'm telling you, they will deal with the matters. Because who the commander is.
Yeah.
That he's a straightforward commander. He's someone that has the nation. Kenabua on Yobia. Yana go 40 days abu visa amabu and you know. This is Oko Army open the top 2 army officers. Kenabua is one of them.
Yeah.
So they are not related. They are no relationship.
They are not related at all. Kenabua no kwasa amabua beye minister ina odi nya encounter.
Who name the baby?
Oh, the soldier knew at the baby.
They are on peculiar politics.
He's a fantastic man.
A professional military officer. To Ukomwa, obeying the credentials. And he has sworn an oath to defend the integrity of this country. People must by all means find fault with him. But I want to assure all those that are doing it, I am ready to defend that kennel. For one thing, sir, his image in the Ghana Armed Forces. And never politics, I would say anybody.
Yeah.
Omani say, Omani gu. Yet home Adam go for yet to Cromwana, yet to the forest in Yama, see him go to galamsey, a good follow in Nabai. No, I can't offer LI 2462 aba. One by ya one anonymous and Sassen, yes, a game room. Yes, yeah, crash that you couldn't crash. Yes, a brother you go for it for a reason. Say a Bema forest, no, and your money in Rasa, I come. Would you all buy an ocean and another madam, and it's young room you go to a good year. Every say minister and I sorry say Omungo Yisa airline very important. Na momwa sa 9 months for no. Yen yira be boa mo no mo kusa kun. No mo kuno mo disun kunimu a ebe boy. Other areas I think the president did well.
Yeah.
Oh, he was frank. I thought say on the issue of galamsey no. The opposition they say they don't want to go say in state of emergency. Yes. But Uncle who say anye yesu a yen ya na bebo na chi.
Yeah.
So you have an option of state of emergency, and you have an option say obey use the existing tools to say I'm in new way no money, you know. Now idea ba ko be boa no pa so the same. Ne asema wakasa say MCB and DCB man ho kwa man important ye galamsey over family fit because who to be the chairman of DISEC. Now important ye galamsey na so to. Na dia na wo to so ye.
What's all I day?
Now, Mampeni, no dear. Now, or can't send me and I just say, oh, my, we are your pie, Akufo Addo didn't call for. Also, for the last 4 years, Ghana for ship $42 billion every Kuma. Companies in Yoma. So, about the can Yoma, Yoma now, Mascaneko. Individuals here, okay. And your party for a year, NPP for a year, the Koya Samuel. Where your fine kiss?
A fine kiss.
It is a or my benefit, Menkosha or my Benu, no, I bet Casas and we are Cherna, Metuana, Bosome Bakum, you do now or my Benimero Babe. And you are very can't ever tell more. Because, yes, you could walk ahead. Sadly, that scholarship secretariat at Yeke. Over years on Makosha Parliament. Just gives like man boss oh and somebody here can go crowboy here can say give to a worry there I catastrophe project is a guru bia be kwa you say ko so na sui what crowboy one ankasa give to a worry young no what scholarship review
oh kwa GB
yeah me I don't know what give you
what yes him dia sisimu
what give you
we are dive that was
no okwa GB man niku me a shock grass already no kwaje no stipends so gibi ma ne kuru so de ni kuru so odidi ana ne kuru so akwaje no asa gi stipends ama no na wo gwa na ye campaign ma NPP na e ka be nsa wo gwa na ye campaign me ne wo ka sei na national services so proye ne kankan ya wo ye ho ana no root shadow sasato
ya shadow I say babies in your home. Just a deep slow yame, what baby careful, baby, some catch so many nyansa. Baby and our cross for guano, baby, your bocrono. Hey, now what, and Guadama, Kumako, 1,000 under one, Jessica. Now, no, as any enough, already visitor and Merwafonico Crofosum. 92 years, Jimmy Fogua, national service. I almost have to go for Kenya for you, also be said. Just a crowd, time one or more. That's as the way I yet. Convince me the and this is as way a fast. National health insurance. Hey, Papa no was that exposé more. Now one oh buy a project can carry one. Yes, all better so. So I say airport company. A whole say Pacha. Airport company. Na national lottery squad ye one more ho se see crowd ye ye twa lotto na mo de akoma private person no gidi mo buy ya na mo so say akoye scratch my back let me scratch your back. How can we behave in this country like that? Hey, embre ba and what yes on the pa yeah the pa meburu Jáil after they are going obo they start here obo for grand ministers and parliamentarians ba no more exhibit lavish lifestyle. Now see we will deal with you. Obo start your visit gra prime minister we and the parliament obi adwane. Esan say Jáil for na who say mo pese mo de o brabo ediago. There is no way as anyoma we all say makwan. Na ye wia ya obi anka wo hwe. Ti o mo ti o. Ya hwe se o maka se o ma pedi sa bodi se obe prosecute o. Mante Mustafa Yusuf di wo. O ma pedi o mission mo fanshem. Esan say national service or no a chief executive officer ho. The box stops with him. Enti mo hwe na se mo ye ya na mo na hwe. Africa Games, all Africa Games. No boss.
I don't quite yeah. Mbiti for so Kwaku for asare. So all defend the expenditure. Hey Kwaku. Yes, so you know sports highlight. Una now here. No. The idea na ma say sika put you say kwa. Mo ba dey. They defend. Nobody yet to me no watch $15 million ukrom ha. Na go for first Ghana nko. Go face Ghana. SC Takwa Sports Stadium. Right from scratch. I don't know some company. Like I said about a prototype. It cost so over $13 million. University of Ghana Stadium is sure. Now it's one wow. A cap base is 16%. Mustafa Yusuf even go for the catch rest almost spending $34 million in the complete keko. Elizabeth say Liman sa hostel there stretch no na Alice da modi e condition ba ku mienu kota tem a wo se ma boka $16 million ya bo na bo kromana esan say e wo sem gofo bi enye sika enya omotam. We cannot continue to behave like that. Kadi esi okokobon Kotona beton one side bi di tonaton koko yi wo ho wo ma beton so di obusika ba jefa komo omo no yesi ya boka say almost 32 billion. The managing company no what if yes ro na obre ade no so obre o rani what wa yadai wa busa questions o metro wa dru ho no maninsu nya ho na kwako shedo bia are you with me ejiro say ye jealous I'm telling you say ya obo so oman no obia be se be ka ne ho se be ka no na sika kakra na ebem ye nyina aso ye nyina de so does it not surprise you say yakobo business $750 million sika sa ekwan ya ye nye tamale to wale ye nya de ani pete bia woni we mu aban Akufo Addo be connection no ma be mobilization of almost $30 million. Ekwaya omankoso sika omadi. Na palugu damne. Urefi. $12 million. Buko change kind of Bollywood boy. Na project amaso. How can we be doing this to ourselves? That is a kromano sika waha na yeye wenyire wie na krono ne kankai na nipa na no echeje hini wo mu a yemfa ne mra Ghana no cha America Ken Ofori Atta. Da be na ache na sem. Yes, Ghana say we can now trip. Yeah. What is this no? Akoda. And you has been a promises all the neighbor. And you can Ofori Atta lawyers na ti kromu a omo ne nim brofotro e ka kire say May obeba May 1 month June obeba ye ni September mne awe. Ma mafia me kan just say Ken Ofori Atta oye na American passport o ma. Let us say buapayo. Hwe mesa e course e wo the Bank of Ghana. Doctor Anderson, you answer the BBNC Okroma. Hey, what to be printed Sikamana Broso? Some say we are in opposition. Now, what about the National Cathedral? National Cathedral, stealing in the name of God. And now, no work commission, Deloitte and two, sir, or Monfa management account near the Emrani. Can you money? And on the day, Gakra say you invested $97 million, not $58 million. 58. Na ya sa nyoma we nyina da we nimu a na so obi esori adope na ofiri mekurase na oni akonya teso na oni eyi na mo sa hia gofu na mo from honorable sa na mo modam ade what is honorable about them say yi mu besi wa da mo be wi o man sika eti ye ko ye nimu no o man pani emma ne nan sisi ho na attorney general se ba bi na ye odin na se o hondo do so a obetwi atwe ho so hono do so na so bi na tata wa ka kire ye ne ni par kwa koyam e be chia yam se bibia so ye fine na se o ye idi e de be press conference ba ko for me na ye hu de ekọ na me timelines because the only the chance ye nye tse na o ye you won ye chance ye with press conferences that be follow na ye to aso sa the only chance ye na come home tu ye tu mu be me say hey ma say you person o twimi di obia so e ma obi ntwe obi ndi so tiase won tumi die say ma tese ma panian na no woka entumi ndai na we must be a lesson to what's the apaluda system na onya bill na say no kasa ma NPP ana ma kwatena yoku ama no o say o mo na hu so sabi wo na jere ni nya adwuma wo chem me tie jere mi abi dua jere o kasa ho apalu shemu na di no kra na mfa no ho o mo ja no ho so o mfa ba akonko abroje die ya no be hu so mu di akire o mo ja apalu shewo ewi ase no sam kofu e ma ka kire mu se sa before mu no mu nam wo nya asem hwe esa se won ka krekra mu boam ye wi aye na obeye yi wo ma fa so ye outsider obeje a obecharge no agiko e no da so chem e de ti ye wo boani nyina no what about hanan die ayi buffer stock e no president boss so e no e be kwada be no o se nyina ka ho e sramo o ma beri e mebu no se wo de wa ntumi am o adwuma now to be Jesus ka chichi nkofo egu mu ade okay e no ano no go me wo se nya fort sikana ga be bi adwuma no na se nkofo ebutom afuna waje a o de ba be dey o ba be adwuma obosi e be ko yanim.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.